In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips together in CapCut. By the end, you'll know two clean, reliable ways to combine your footage so it plays as one continuous video, and you'll understand when to use each approach. First, let's keep it simple. The quickest way to merge clips is by placing them side by side on the timeline. Bring your clips into your project, then drag the first one onto the timeline. Grab the next clip and drop it immediately after the first, so they touch with no gap. Most timelines have snapping turned on by default, which helps clips lock neatly together. If you want to be extra precise, zoom in on the timeline and check that there's no sliver of empty space between them. You can trim the ends if needed so the cut feels natural, and you can always add a transition later if you'd like a softer blend. Play it back to confirm the flow. This method keeps each clip separate, which is great if you plan to fine-tune individual parts or adjust timing later. Now, if you want those same clips to behave like a single piece of media, easier to move, duplicate, or apply effects to all at once, use CapCut's compound clip feature. This essentially bundles multiple clips into one container while preserving their order. On PC, it's straightforward. Hold Shift and click to select the clips you want to combine on the timeline, or drag a selection box over them. Then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. You'll see your selection collapse into one unified item. From here, you can position it anywhere in your project, resize it as a group, or apply color correction, filters, or speed changes to the entire sequence in one go. If you need to tweak something inside later, you can open the compound clip to adjust the contents without rebuilding it from scratch. So which method should you use? Place clips next to each other if you're still editing the timing, testing transitions, or planning to adjust audio individually. Use a compound clip when you're confident in the order and cuts, and you want a tidy timeline or want to apply global adjustments without repeating the same change on every clip. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Save versions as you go so you can roll back easily, and always preview your edit with sound. If you notice a click at a cut, consider a subtle transition or a tiny timing nudge to smooth it out. That's it. Two dependable ways to merge clips in CapCut, from quick assembly to a polished single video unit.